Congratulations on completing 30 days of SQL learning. You now understand queries, filters, joins, functions, and concepts. But real confidence in SQL comes from applying it to real systems. That's why from day 31 to day 40, we move into complete SQL case studies. You will work with real world scenarios like e commerce sales, hospital management, banking systems, inventory, airlines, retail stores, hotels, and universities. Each case study will teach you how to think like a database professional, designing tables, writing meaningful queries, and solving real business problems. This final 10-day journey will transform your SQL knowledge into real world skill. By day 40, you will not just know SQL, you will be ready to use it with confidence. Let us begin the final chapter of your SQL mastery. Welcome to day 32. Today, we will work on a library management system case study. We will apply SQL concepts to manage books, members, and loans. Our library database has three tables: books, members, and loans. Together, they track which books are borrowed by which members. This query joins members, loans, and books to show which member borrowed which book and when. Aggregations let us analyze borrowing trends. This query counts how many loans occurred per genre. Having filters groups after aggregation. This query shows authors whose books have been borrowed more than 10 times. Window functions let us rank members by borrowing activity. This query calculates total loans per member and assigns rank. We can save queries as views. This view lists active members who borrowed more than 5 books. Transactions ensure consistency. For example, when a book is returned, both the loans and books tables must be updated together. Here are some mini challenges. Find the top 5 most borrowed books. Show genres with average loans above 20. Create a view for overdue books and write a transaction for borrowing a book. Your assignment: build a library data set with books, members, and loans. Write queries to join tables, aggregate loans, rank members, create views, and use transactions for borrowing and returning books. To summarize, today you applied joins, aggregations, having, window functions, views, and transactions in a library management system case study. Tomorrow, we will work on a hospital management system case study.